Something real quick here. So if you notice, here we are on a 3 hour. We got like a double booty. I call it double booty, an uneven butt cheeks pointing down. You know, you kind of see it on the 4 hour, the 3 hour, you know, and the 2 hour, and you see we got a good move. You get what I'm saying? So this is a good move, right? Pretty good move. But if you look on the 8 hour, we had a bigger one on the 8 hour, because the 8 hour is a higher time frame. It's twice as heavy, twice as much pressure down as the 4 hour. So yeah, we got to move to the downside when we seen it on the 4 hour, but we got a bigger move when we see it on the 8 hour. The reason I'm bringing this up is because that's how this is on the daily, right? When we seen this kind of happen on the daily, we saw a pretty cool move to the upside. But when we saw it on the 4-day, that was a way bigger move. You see on the weekly, way bigger move. So the uneven butt cheeks pattern, I don't know why I call it a double booty, but it just sounds better off the floor of the tongue than double booty, even though it's a single booty. You still get the move. It's just not as big when it's not on as big a time frame. And that's what I'm noticing in Market Cipher, especially when they're conflicting with one another, they kind of end up flattening out some. But, you know, if you're a leverage trader, you know what I'm saying, you're scalping or whatever, it's a small swing trade, you know, you don't need that much movement to make money.